For the apple salad, we need 2 apples, 2 bananas, 2 stalks of celery, a can of pineapple tidbits, some walnuts cut up, little bitty marshmallows, a little bit of Miracle Whip, and a knife and a cutting board, and a bowl. So I have about 3 tablespoons of the Miracle Whip. You could use salad dressing, you could use mayonnaise, any of that white stuff. And now I'm just going to put a little bit of the pineapple juice, and I'm going to stir it until I get a creamy consistency. So I didn't have quite enough, so I added another tablespoon and some more pineapple juice. Now I'm just going to pour it on into all the goodies and mix it up. So I have it all mixed up, and now I got to put it back into that other bowl. And what am I going to do with this? I'm going to drink it. Yum, yum. There, now I have to cover it up and put it in the refrigerator for a couple hours, and then we can enjoy it. All right, apple salad's done. Now for the chocolate pies. First, I gotta clean up my mess. I like to clean as I go. Do you clean as you go, or do you wait to the very end to clean the whole big mess? I find it easier to do it this way. Where's the hot water? There it is.